For hands massage.
I'm very lucky, I have to say, to be able to do this. So you know, right now we're in Indonesia. We're gonna go eat, come back and watch the markets a bit, close some positions. It'll be great. We're gonna go find some local food. You know, we ate like really fancy people in Japan, really fine dining establishments, and now we want to go find some good local street food. And especially since Faye's been here 2 or 3 times, she knows where to go for the good street food. Hey Faye, how's your first day in Bali?
Wonderful.
It was magical.
Very fun. We rode around motorbikes. Well, scooters, not motorbikes. What else did we do? Yeah, went exploring, played in the pool. It was lovely.
Comfortable?
Very. Thai massage, swim massage.
Warm stone body massage.
For hands massage.
So let's get a waxing up lip. let's get a hair treatment. What do you think?
This is my relaxed day.
You've been relaxing for a month and a half. Oh, AC. Oh, look at this. No private offices. Right now, since we're having disconnections in internet, we're traveling every other day. Now I'm doing more swing trading rather than day trading, because obviously if we can still read the price action, we can still put positions and leave our targets. I don't have to sit there every second of the day to be able to actually manage all my positions, so to speak. I'll bring you guys in here, and you guys can see I'm limping a little bit. I hurt my foot on the scooters today. It's crazy driving out there in Bali. This is the bed. You can see the little nets to cover for the mosquitoes. Great little door here as well to take a look at the pool. We actually this morning woke up and jumped into the pool. You can see over there the sofa and the bath. And so yeah, one of the things I also wanted to show everybody today was some of the losses I actually have on my account as well, because I think that it's important to be able to understand that traders do lose money. I think that the majority of us, me included, I'll take the blame as well. We show a lot of the profits, but none of the losses, right? Because that's what everybody wants to see. So I'm going to show you guys here the loss that I have at the moment. It's about $6,000 or so. You guys can see here. Once it focuses, there it is right there on the left. Trading live there on the right. It's important to be able to show that as well. And when it comes to kind of living the lifestyle of a trader, you guys get to the point where you're not going to have to be doing this 8-10 hours a day. For those of you guys that trade things like stocks or even penny stocks or also Forex, a lot of times most of you have to do a lot of due diligence and work. You have to sit there all day, watch 10 markets, and also be able to find the right trade, right? Whereas in the futures market, for me, that's one of the biggest advantages to be able to trade with, because you only have to trade about an hour to a day, not even. You know, I think the average for the majority of our traders, I want to say, is about 15-20 minutes. Sometimes it's an hour and a half, other times it's a minute or two. We do have traders that trade all day as well, but I think this mentality of traders being just the institutional guys in banks, or the hedge fund managers, or George Soros, or, you know, all these big guys, the little guys now can definitely start making money too. And you know, obviously there's a lot of traders out there that are doing well. I salute them all. I think that one of the things you guys should know is you don't have to sit in your desk for 8-10 hours a day to be able to learn how to trade. You don't have to have the fastest internet on the planet. You don't have to have the most expensive computer on the planet either. You know, the world really changed when the internet came out, and more importantly, the high-speed internet, because that really changed absolutely everything. And even in the futures market, the futures exchange, they created the E-mini product specifically for what they call retail day traders, which is people like you and me that trade in our shorts and boxers from anywhere in the world, right? So here in Indonesia, we're about 13 hours ahead, 1-3. That means that the market opens at about 10:30 p.m. I think this is about the latest that you can really do it in a manner where you can have your sanity. Let's put it that way. If you go to Japan, you're trading at 11:30, 12:30 in the morning, 11:30 p.m., 12:30 a.m. If you go to Sydney, you know, Sydney's even further back. We're talking 1:30, 2:30 in the morning for the U.S. markets, which for me are still the best markets to trade as well. So, you know, here we can wake up, we can go poke around. I've been saying that a lot recently. We can check out the city, you know, ride motorcycles, break your leg on a motorcycle, or a scooter I should say. Then have a great dinner, get a massage for 2 people, full body massage for 1 hour here in Indonesia, in Bali, $6.51. So the lifestyle of a trader is very different, I think, than the majority people perceive. And a lot of times, if you're going to learn how to do this, or, you know, another thing that I want to really point out to you guys as well is the fact that you don't have to start making $1 million a day, right? You can start making, the key to this is really being consistent, because you can start making $50, $100, $200 a day. We have a lot of traders that have actually moved over to Asia, to Chiang Mai, to Thailand, to Vietnam, and they only live on a few $100s a day, or excuse me, a few $100s a month. So it's important to be able to notice that. So tomorrow we're going to go to the Elephant Hotel. I'll show you guys that as well. If I have any positions closed, I'll show you that as well, you know, winners or losers. And then from there we're going to head to the Maldives, which the Maldives is closer to the perfect time frame that I consider for trading, which is about, I want to say 4:30 p.m., 5:30 p.m. Europe also is about 3:30 p.m., 2:30 p.m., which I think is great. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and watch the markets for a bit, check up on our positions, see if I can close any positions, or, you know, adjust the targets based on what the market is doing. Watch out for gold and silver, guys, and we'll see you next time.